Honorable Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Vishwaranjan Sarpati from class 8D, KB number 2, CRP Bhubaneswar. Today I am here to present my PPT on the topic of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Let's start. Childhood of Netaji. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, born in 23 January 1897 at Cuttack, Odisha. His father's name is Janki Nath Bose and his mother's name is Prabhavati Devi Bose. In his childhood, Netaji was very intelligent and sharp-minded. He planned several ideas in his school. He had two brothers, Sarat Chandra Bose and Sushil Chandra Bose. Now let's start the education classification. The Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose studied in the University of Kolkata, and he restricted by after the 18 years month, and later he managed to study blamelessly and excellent academically, and his father sent to him the England to take part in the examination called Indian Civil Service Examination, and he succeeded the exam in his first attempt in 1920. But he argued to join Indian National Congress. He finally, in 1920, he resigned from his job. Then the guidance of the Netaji. The Netaji study the Bhagavad Gita every day, and his spiritual guru is Swami Vivekananda. Then he joined the Congress. In 1919, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre has disturbed him greatly. Went to Gandhiji and offered himself to work for the Indian National Congress. Gandhiji sent him to Kolkata to work under the Deshbandhu Chattarjanjan Das. He was mainly involved in this activity, and around the Kolkata was arrested on the numerous occasions. Then work in Congress. He regards Chittaranjan Das as his political guru. He played a major role in enlightening the student, youth and laborers. Then, falling out from Congress. Subhash Chandra Bose does not believe the Gandhiji formula, which is non-violence. He believed that the violence is the best treatment to British for independence our India. Then finally in 1938, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose resigned from the Indian National Congress. Then going to prison. In July 1940, Bose was arrested by the Bengal government over a small protest, and later he came in his house with the tight security of the British. Then we shall start the Great Escape. The Subhash Chandra Bose escaped from the British surveillance from his house in Kolkata on the night 12 o'clock of the 17th January 1941. By the help of his nephew Shishir Kumar Bose. By seat in the back of the car and wear the cloak and dagger fashion. Later he reached to the Gamham railway station. Now Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose railway station is called today. And this station is situated in the state of Bihar, now in the Jharkhand. Then, in 4 to 5 days, Netaji reached in Afghanistan, Peshawar, by the train Frontline Express, and he was held by the supporter of Agha Khan III to get into the Afghanistan, and he stayed in the Taj Hotel in Afghanistan. Then later, in April 1941, Bose arrived to Germany, and where the leadership offered to unexpected and equal vocal sympathy for the Indian independence. In 1941, German fund used the open the German fund used to make a open radio for Netaji. The Netaji speak every night to the all Indians in the German. Then, then the boss work as a politician and advisor affected in the previous 2 years. Then, although in 1941 the German intermittently but considerably a land invention of India, although it was perfect for it was preferred to their main goals in Eastern Europe. Both remain the optimism about likelihood. By the spring 1942, however, the German army had become the married to the Russia and Japan had won quickly victory in Asia. Then the German land of India become untenable and both become keen to move to Southeast Asia. Adolf Hitler, during his meeting with the boss in the later May 1942, suggests the same offer to arrange a submarine. During this time, Bose became the father. His wife or Emily Senkel, whom he had met during the earlier visit in Europe, 1934. Then Subhash Chandra Bose going to Japan. Bose board a German submarine in February 1943 of Manchester. He was transferred to a Japanese submarine from which dismarked to in Japanese held Sumatra in May 1943. His wife, child, and 3,000 Indian men remained in Germany, and the latter left to an uncertain future. Then formation of INA and going to Singapore. The Indian National Army INA has been formed in 1942 from the Indian force of the British Indian Army captured by the Japanese in the Battle of Singapore. After the arrival in Singapore, Bose installed the Indian civilians, chiefly Tamil ones, in Singapore. The Japanese had come to support the number of puppets and provincial government in the capture the region, with the Japanese support a province government of the Free India. Under the Bose formed in the Japanese occupied Andaman and Nicobar Island to visit in December 1943 was widely published, and Derevan Bose displayed the unflagging enthusiasm for the causes of liberating India. Then the INA power. The INA under the Bose became a model of diversity of the region and the religion and the gender. However, the Japanese considered the Bose a military unskilled and unrealistic, and Bose army effort to was short-lived in late 1944 and early 1945. The British Indian Army first held and then disgustingly reversed to the Japanese attack on the India. Almost half of the Japan force and fully half the participating INA and contingent were killed. Then the INA was derived from the peninsula and surrendered with the recapture of Singapore. Bose chose not to surrender with his force or with the Japanese. He aimed to escape the Manchuria with the view to seeking a future of the Soviet Union, which believed to turning anti-British. Then we began the lost one important life. En route to Manchuria, his plane was crashed in the Taiwan and he died from the third degree burn. Some India did not believe that the crash that occurred. Many among them, especially in Bengal, believed Bose would return to gain the Indian independence, and some believed that he became the secret agent in Russia. Then we shall begin the books written by the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. The first number is An Indian Pilgrims, which is his famous book. The Netaji collected work, which is the based on when he in the childhood and in the childhood to teenagers. Then the Indian struggle. Then the fourth one is in the Burmese prisons. Correspondence May 1923 to July 1926. Etc. Then we can see many of the photo of the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. As you can see, this is his childhood photo, and this is his university photo, and this Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose sit with his mother and father. This is the photo when he reached the Soviet Union. This is the photo when he met the Adolf Hitler in Germany. And this is the photo where Subhash Chandra Bose sit in the Japanese submarine. And this is the photo where the Subhash Chandra Bose talked to the governor, the army general in Germany. And this is the photo that the Subhash Chandra Bose and Mahatma Gandhi sit together to talk for the independence of India. And this is the photo that he arriving to Japan. And this is the photo that Subhash Chandra believed that women can do everything, so that he makes a INA, especially a women army in late after the making of the INA. And this is the great car which Subhash Chandra Bose escaped from his house. As you can see, this is the car, and this is the video link of the Netaji speech. And thank you and have a nice day. I believe that this PPT you have enjoyed. Thank you so much.